40% of Americans have skipped a social event because of their gut, but here's what nobody tells you. Your gut doesn't just cause stomach problems. It might be behind your brain fog, your skin breakouts, even that afternoon exhaustion you can't shake. Today, I'm revealing 7 warning signs your gut is struggling, and most people completely ignore number 4. Before we dive in, this is educational content based on peer-reviewed research, not medical advice. Your situation is unique, so always work with a healthcare provider. To understand why your gut affects so much more than digestion, you need to know what's actually happening inside you. Your gut contains trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, collectively called your microbiome. And this isn't just some passive collection of germs. Your gut microbiome is now considered the largest endocrine organ in your body. It produces more than 30 hormone-like compounds, including approximately 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. A 2022 study published in Nature Communications analyzed over 2,500 participants and found that specific gut bacteria are directly involved in producing key neurotransmitters. Bacteria like Eggerichia and Subdologranulum are linked to serotonin and GABA production, the same chemicals that antidepressants target. But here's where it gets fascinating. 70 to 80% of your immune cells also live in your gut. So when something goes wrong with your microbiome, a state scientists call dysbiosis, the effects ripple throughout your entire body. And that's exactly why your gut can send warning signals that seem completely unrelated to digestion. Let's start with the sign most people recognize. Warning sign number 1, persistent bloating and digestive discomfort. Now, occasional bloating after a big meal is normal. But if you're regularly experiencing gas, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, your gut is trying to tell you something. According to the American Gastroenterological Association, 60 to 70 million Americans suffer from gastrointestinal diseases. And a 2023 survey found that 2/3 of adults experience recurrent digestive symptoms like gas, bloating, and abdominal pain. But few seek care. Research published in 2024 in Clinical and Experimental Medicine explains why. When your intestinal barrier becomes too permeable, sometimes called leaky gut, bacterial components can enter your bloodstream. This triggers an immune response that creates chronic low-grade inflammation throughout your body, and bloating is often the first sign that this process has begun. But most people just reach for antacids and move on. Warning sign number 2 is one that might surprise you. Unexplained fatigue and low energy. If you're constantly tired despite getting enough sleep, your gut might be the culprit. A groundbreaking 2025 study from the NIH found that people with chronic fatigue syndrome have distinct patterns of gut dysbiosis. Specifically, they identified 12 bacterial species that could serve as biomarkers for the condition. One bacterium, Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, showed an inverse relationship with fatigue severity. The less of this beneficial bacteria people had, the more fatigued they felt. And here's the mechanism. Your gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that help regulate mitochondrial function, your cell's energy factories. When dysbiosis disrupts this process, your cells literally struggle to produce energy. So if you're reaching for your 5th coffee by noon, the problem might not be your sleep habits. Quick note. I've put a comprehensive guide in the description with links to all the studies I'm referencing. Warning sign number 3, mood changes, anxiety or depression. This is where the gut-brain axis becomes undeniable. Remember that 90% of serotonin figure? A 2024 study in molecular psychiatry analyzed 268 older adults and found something remarkable. The gut microbiome could actually predict future depressive symptoms, not just reflect current ones. Specifically, bacteria involved in GABA degradation, GABA being a neurotransmitter that calms brain activity, were associated with depression severity. Higher rates of GABA degradation meant more severe depression, and a massive study analyzing over 7,600 participants found 17 bacterial species associated with depressive disorders. The connection was so robust that 90% of associations remained significant even after adjusting for antidepressant use. So if you've been feeling unusually anxious or down, and typical explanations don't fit, your gut might be sending an SOS. Now here's warning sign number 4, and this is the one most people completely ignore. Brain fog and difficulty concentrating. You know that feeling. You walk into a room and forget why you're there. You read the same paragraph 3 times. Words are on the tip of your tongue but won't come out. Most people blame stress, age, or lack of sleep. But a 2024 study from Islamabad found moderate associations between gut health and cognitive performance, particularly memory and processing speed, and the connection goes deeper. Research in Nature Communications has shown that gut bacteria can alter brain chemistry through multiple pathways. The vagus nerve, which directly connects your gut to your brain, carries signals both ways. When gut dysbiosis produces inflammatory compounds, these can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. A 2023 study on long COVID patients found that brain fog symptoms were strongly associated with specific gut microbiome disturbances. The gut bacteria were literally influencing cognitive function through a process involving increased neuroinflammation. So if you've been feeling mentally foggy, especially if it came on gradually, don't just dismiss it. Your gut might be the root cause that no amount of coffee can fix. Warning sign number 5, skin problems that won't go away. Persistent skin issues, acne, eczema, rosacea, psoriasis. Dermatologists have known for years that gut health affects skin, but the science is now crystal clear. A 2024 systematic review in Science Direct confirmed what's called the gut-skin axis. Dysbiosis in the gut triggers inflammation that can manifest on your skin. The mechanism involves those short-chain fatty acids again. When certain beneficial bacteria are depleted, SCFA production drops. This weakens your skin barrier and increases susceptibility to inflammation. A Mendelian randomization study, which can establish causal relationships, identified 76 connections between gut microbiome and 6 inflammatory skin diseases. Specifically, lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, common probiotic strains, were identified as protective factors. So if your skin is constantly breaking out despite your best skincare efforts, the answer might not be a new moisturizer. It might be what's happening inside your digestive tract. Warning sign number 6, new or worsening food sensitivities. Foods you used to eat without problems now cause discomfort. Dairy suddenly bothers you. Gluten makes you bloated. Certain fruits cause issues. This is actually a classic sign of intestinal permeability issues. When your gut barrier becomes compromised, food particles that shouldn't enter your bloodstream slip through. Your immune system identifies these as foreign invaders and mounts a response. That's why you suddenly react to foods you ate your whole life without issue. The 2024 intestinal permeability research confirms this process. What's happening isn't that the food changed, your gut barrier changed. And finally, warning sign number 7, disrupted sleep patterns. Trouble falling asleep, waking up frequently, never feeling fully rested. Here's the surprising connection most people miss. Your gut bacteria actually follow your circadian rhythm. A study in Nature Communications found that your intestinal circadian clock drives microbiome daily rhythms. When you disrupt your sleep, you disrupt your gut bacteria. And when your gut bacteria are disrupted, they make it harder for you to sleep. It becomes a vicious cycle. The 2024 research in Frontiers in Microbiology showed that circadian disruption leads to increased gut permeability and pro-inflammatory states. If you've been struggling with sleep and can't figure out why, your gut microbiome might need attention first. So what do you actually do with this information? First, and I can't stress this enough, if you're experiencing multiple warning signs, talk to a healthcare provider. These symptoms can have many causes, and ruling out other conditions is important. But here's what the research suggests may support gut health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi have been shown in Stanford research to increase microbiome diversity. Fiber-rich foods feed beneficial bacteria and increase short-chain fatty acid production. Managing stress matters. Chronic stress directly increases gut permeability, and maintaining consistent sleep patterns helps keep your gut bacteria in rhythm. Let me bring this full circle. Your gut isn't just processing your lunch, it's producing neurotransmitters that affect your mood. It's housing most of your immune system. It's sending signals that influence your energy, your skin, your sleep, and even your ability to think clearly. A 2023 MDVIP survey found that 85% of Americans failed a basic gut health quiz, and 3 in 5 don't even know that an unhealthy gut can increase heart attack, stroke, and dementia risk. Now you do. The 7 warning signs we covered today. If you recognize yourself in 3 or more of these, your gut might be trying to communicate with you. Your body is unique. A qualified healthcare provider can help you apply these insights to your specific situation. Everything we covered today is linked in the description. All the studies, all the research, all the resources you need. Subscribe for new gut health research every week. And next time, we're covering the 10 best foods for gut health, ranked by actual science, including the surprising one that Stanford researchers say outperformed everything else they tested. See you there.